Namaste, Suprabhat, good morning. Together, let's rediscover our perfect health and happiness. Om Namah Shivaya. We keep on discussing that yoga is not just about asanas and pranayams for 1 hour in the morning on the yoga mat in the yoga center. Yoga has to be lived each hour of the day, throughout the day. Yoga has to be a lifestyle. So the question is, when we are not practicing our asanas and pranayams on the yoga mat, how do we practice yoga? There are various ways. Some we have already discussed, and one very, very important aspect we are going to discuss today, which is going to be the 7th step in our journey to build a strong immune system by the path of yoga. Along with asanas and pranayams, we must inculcate an attitude of giving, unselfishness, selfless giving, an attitude of you before me, an attitude of service before self. In fact, selfless service is a very important aspect of Karma Yoga. When we do anything consciously for the good of others in an unselfish manner, it purifies our mind. और जब मन पवित्र हो जाए, when our mind becomes pure, it leads us to happiness. And we have already discussed that when we are genuinely happy, our stress level comes down and our immunity level goes up. Even the Western science has proved that an unselfish mind is a relaxed mind. In fact, when we give in an unselfish manner, a very beautiful hormone, oxytocin, is released in our body, which leads to trust, bonding, love, empathy, the calming effect. 3 things go up. Our creativity goes up. Our ability to solve problems goes up. Our immune system goes up, becomes better. And the one thing that goes down is our stress level. So simple. So simple to say, so simple to listen, but is it that simple to follow? There is a big question mark. The key lies in right knowledge, right technique, right supervision, patience, and consistent practice. Once there was a man. He used to work and live in a big city. One day, he took leave from his office and went to the hills to meet a yogi who used to live beside a beautiful stream. As this man arrived, it was a winter evening and it was raining. When he reached and met the yogi, the man said, "I work as a vice president in a big company. I draw a handsome salary. I have been getting double salary raises and double promotions year after year. I have been a topper in my school and college days, and I am extremely intelligent." The yogi smiled and said, "Wow, that's great. You are a real gem. But unfortunately or fortunately, I do not possess any of these qualities that you have. How can I help you?" The man said, "I got to know that you have got a sure shot solution for stress, anxiety, insomnia, indigestion, failed relationships. Can you help me out?" I can pay you handsomely, but I do not have much time. I need instant solution. The yogi asked, what you had for a breakfast today? The man answered, cheese sandwiches, 4 of them. And when I had my 4th sandwich, I was fully stuffed. Space for no more. The yogi said, so your tummy was full only when you had your 4th sandwich, right? Yes, said the man. Yogi asked, how old are you? 34 years, said the man. And at what age you started earning? At the age of 24 years, said the man. The yogi said, tell me one thing. Why you wasted the first 24 years of your life? You could have started your life from the 24th year itself. The man got really hyper. But then it struck to him what the yogi was trying to say. In fact, he was actually very intelligent. He realized. He instantly cooled down and said, dear sir, I got to know what you are trying to say. There are no instant solutions. Please tell me, what shall I do? The yogi said, see, for a beginner, the first step is wake up early in the morning, between 4 to 5 a.m., at least once in a week to start with, preferably on Sundays. Second step, once you have woken up early in the morning, practice some asanas and pranayams for at least 30 minutes. And what is the best mix of asanas and pranayams to get the best benefit out of those 30 minutes is mentioned in the second video. Link is in the description. Third step is to relax in Shavasana. And if you have got time, learn and practice Yog Nidra. Fourth step is learn to eat mindfully. Understand what not to eat, when not to eat, and how not to eat. Mentioned in the 4th video, link is in the description. Fifth step is to understand that eating right is extremely important, but not eating or fasting is even more important. Mentioned in the 5th video. Link is in the description. Sixth step is to be happy. But how? Santoshad anuttama sukh labha. Arthat, in contentment lies superlative happiness. Understand this. And the 7th step is inculcate an attitude of selfless giving. This will lead to 3 things. Your creativity will go up, your ability to solve problems will get enhanced, your immune system will become better, and your stress level will come down. So all these 7 steps can be explained in even more detail. But for a beginner, if you follow these 7 steps the way they have been mentioned in these 7 videos, links are in the description, you can be on the right path and you can develop your immune system perfectly well by the path of yoga. And thereafter, we can go deep into each and every step and move on in our journey to attain perfect health and ultimate happiness. It was a wonderful journey with you over the last 3-4 months in these 7 separate videos explaining how to develop a strong immune system by the path of yoga. Let's also remember that yoga is also about how we can make others around us feel happy. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. सर्वे संतु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, माँ कश्चित दुख भाग भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत।